Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. So today I'm going to discuss about the coal handling and ash handling plant in the power generation or thermal power plant. We can say that as the name suggested, like coal handling plant where we will handle the coal from raw material to its crushed form until the fed to the boiler. And in ash handling plants, this is the byproduct after the coal burning in the boiler, and we can also utilize for further application this ash from the ash handling plant as well. So in coal handling plant, we have to prepare the coal for its maximum combustion in the boiler section. So what we will do, we are here with the uncrushed coal at present, right? So that uncrushed coil is go to the crusher. The crusher is made up with the two rollers, and the roller in between we have to fed this uncrushed coil, and the crushed coil is again get in the pulverized form that is fed to our vibrator separator, where this vibrator separator, the crust form, very fine crust form, is fed to this conveyor belt, and the uncrushed form is again recycled over here, right? Then again we can say that through this conveyor, this crushed coil is go to the cold dryer, where the cold dryer in cold dryer the this crushed coil is dehumidified by the hot gases. We can say the moisture in that or the humidity in that, so we have to remove that by heating that thing using this hot gases. So this hot dryer is like that, the hot gases is exhausted on from the upper side and the inlet from the middle one side, we can say. And the dried coal is again we will get over here. This is the dried coal, and this dried coal we fed to our coal storage using this bucket elevators. So this dried coal will be fall over there, and that will be rotated in this pattern. Okay, and the rejected one is collected over here, this in bunker, and again it is recycled to our uncrushed coil system. So this is the total preview of our coal preparation plant or coal handling plant, we can say. So here is the example of a coal handling plant in the Dhanbad. Raw coal from the Bharat Coal Limited has to be stored at this point. That is fed from Gudia by single railway track. So the transportation medium from this to the coal plant is the single track railway, and that is only for particular this coal transmission line. Then it is go to wagon tripler and collected in the hopper. Then it goes to the crusher house, and after that this crusher house where the crushing of the coal will take place is fed to the bunker, where the raw coal feeder collect this one, and finally it is pulverized in the coal mills. And coal from the coal mills it is sent to our like we can say that in furnace, where the coal burning will take place and will convert the water into the steam in the boiler section. So in ash handling plant, the ash from the boiler is collected into forms basically. The first one is the bottom ash slurry, and the another one is your fly ash. Okay, so the bottom ash slurry is nothing the wastage which is dumped into the ash pond, and the fly ash is nothing but fly ash is separated from the flue gases using the ESP, that is electrostatic precipitators. Okay, so we'll understand this thing by using this diagram. So this is our boiler section, we can say. In the boiler section, the water is converted into steam, and during this process the heat is produced by the coal, and the byproduct of coal is ash basically. So that is divided in two parts. One is your wet ash, another is your fly ash. So this fly ash is sent to economizer, where it extracts the heat from this fly ash and sent to the ESP, where electrostatic precipitator again separated the flue gases into the ESP, and fly ash is separated and flue gases is different from this one or separated from this. The flue gases will be exhausted using this chimney, and this fly ash is cycloned in a cyclator and the finally we can utilize it for further products like cement industry. And again, the byproduct of this coal burning is again is the bottom ash, we can say, and that is collected in the ash pond, and this is also utilized for some road construction or some other kind of purposes as well. So this is the overall view of our ash handling plant. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us for more videos on power plant and different component of power plant as well. Thank you.